I didn't realize how much the space felt like a fishbowl until I finally addressed it. This is It's About Flippin Time Home Edition, and today I'm tackling a long overdue upgrade. Hey guys, welcome to It's About Flippin Time Home Edition. Now you guys remember I put up these a few weeks back, maybe a month ago, but it's time to do something about the windows. Now, we live on the bottom floor, and sometimes you feel like you're in a fishbowl. We're gonna fix that. A company reached out to me called TokBlinds and sent me some amazing sheer blinds. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me for the install. So let me go grab them.
Installing your shade. You will need a pencil, a flathead screwdriver, a tape measure, and a power drill. Your package will include installation instructions, mounting brackets, and hardware. For an inside mount, begin by measuring about 5 inches from the inside of your window frame.
You know those DIY projects where you immediately think, yeah, I'm gonna need help. This wasn't one of them. After watching the how-to tutorials, I jumped right in and was quite surprised at how easy everything came together. It's just that easy. Easy. Next up were the French doors, and these were an outside mount system. I'll be honest, I was a little skeptical at first. I didn't know how much they'd stick out or if they'd interfere with the curtains, but once again, the install was surprisingly simple. It blows my mind that I waited this long to add blinds. We've lived with sheer curtains for almost 7 years. I truly thought this day would never come, and now that it's finally here, I couldn't be more thrilled. Last one. With everything installed, the last step was just a simple cleanup. And that was it. From start to finish, the entire install took about an hour and a half. Being able to control everything with a remote has been such a game changer. And you can move all the blinds together or adjust them individually to get the exact height and light you want. It's one of those updates that instantly makes the space feel better, and without question, this has been one of the best additions we've made to our home this past year. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one because it's about flipping time. Thank you, TokBlinds. I love these. These are a game changer. We can lower them to whatever height we want. I can control them with my remote control all together. It gives us still some sunlight that comes in, but also privacy, which is nice. These are the best. So easy to install. Customer service is amazing. If I had any questions, they were right on top of it. You guys, TokBlinds, definitely recommend.